Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to leave a Yahoo Fantasy League. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to leave a Yahoo Fantasy League. First, head over to fantasysports.yahoo.com. Select your sport. Here, I'll choose football. Log into your account, then go to the league section where your active leagues are displayed. To leave a league, click the small icon next to your league's name. If you're just a member, you'll be able to leave right away, but if you're the league creator, you'll need to delete the league entirely. Simply select the option to delete it, confirm by clicking Delete League, and you're done. Once deleted, the league will no longer appear in your list, giving you a fresh start. That's how you leave a Yahoo Fantasy League. Thanks for watching and good luck in your future games. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.